Food Nutrition and Hygiene, Unit 2, Part 1, Question number 1 to question number 92, BU Jhansi for BA, BSc, BCom, first semester. Question number 1. How does water regulates the temperature of the body? Option number A, control its. Question number 2. What is the percentage of water in our body? Option number C, 50 to 60%. Question number 3. Where do bacteria get food from water? Option number D, all of these. Question number 4. Recommend the daily fiber intake for the young girls 9 to 13 year is option number B, 20 gram. Question number 5. Dash also delays the absorption of the sugar from the intestine. Option D, fiber. Question number 6. Dash is a good source of fiber. Option number C, leguminous. Question number 7. The formula of water is option number C, H2O. Question number 8. Formation of plaque inside the arteries bracket blood vessels carrying oxygen rich blood to the heart and other body part is referred to as a state of option number C, erythrocytosis. Question number 9. Dash is a condition of the nutritional deficiency in which patient mainly consume lean meat and no other sources of nutrient, thus develop the health complications. Option number B, protein poisoning. Question number 10. Normal human blood plasma potassium level is option number A, 3.5 to 5.0 mmol per liter. Question number 11. Dash is a genetic disorder that is caused by the mutation in ATP 7B gene on chromosome 13. Option number C, Wilson disease. Question number 12. Dash is a water soluble vitamin. Option number B, vitamin C. Question number 13. Dash is an antioxidant made up of 8 different molecules that prevent cell damage. Option number D, vitamin E. Question number 14. Dash is often named the silent nutrient of the body. Option number B, water. Question number 15. Dash is a dangerous medical disease in which an individual water consumption exceeds. Option number A, water intoxication. Question number 16. Dash are the primary source of energy in cell. Utilize carbohydrate directly for cellular respiration in the presence of oxygen. Option number A, carbohydrate. Question number 17. Dash help in the defecation and relieving constipation. Option number C, cellulose. Question number 18. Dash is a genetic disorder resulting when the ability to metabolize galactose sugar is hampered. Option number B, galactosemia. Question number 19. Dash fat do not carry any double bonds between the carbon and atoms in the fatty acid chain. Option number D, saturated. Question number 20. The sugar phenyl hydrogen reacts further with the phenyl hydrogen to yield a compound known as oxazone. Question number 21. The function of protein are option number D, all of these. Question number 22. Deficiency of the protein has a side effect of option number D, all of these. Question number 23. The best means of obtaining protein in the plant world are option number C, soybean. Question number 24. The unpleasant odor and the taste developed in the most natural fats on aging is termed as option number A, rancidity. Question number 25. Dash is less common than the hyponatremia and occurs due to the presence of high amount of sodium. Option number C, hypernatremia. Question number 26. Dash of the fluid or the solution is defined as the total number of the solute particle moles per unit volume. Option number B, osmolarity. Question number 27. Dash causes the microcytic anemia and the low levels of the tissue of copper. Option number D, molybdenum toxicity. Question number 28. What is in each cell, bone, cell of the body? Option number B, protein. Question number 29. What is the main element in the protein? Option number B, nitrogen. Question number 30. Koshwekar disease is caused by the deficiency of option number A, protein. Question number 31. How much protein is found in the 100 grams of spinach? Option number B, 1 gram. Question number 32. The name of the protein was proposed by which scientist? Option number A, Mulder. Question number 33. Approximately how many types of essential amino acids are found in protein? Option number D, 10. Question number 34. It is very important for the use of fat. Option number B, carbs. Question number 35. Into how many classes can the mean of the obtaining carbohydrate can be divided? Option number A, 2. Question number 36. How many carbon atoms are there in a molecule of carbohydrate? Option number C, 6. Question number 37. A complex carbohydrate is option number A, cellulose. Question number 38. It is present in the breast milk. Option number C, lactose. Question number 39. Vitamin was given because of the which element that is found in vitamin? Option number B, nitrogen. Question number 40. What is the amount of riboflavin in 100 grams of grain? Option number A, 0.10 to 0.16 milligram. Question number 41. Discovery disease is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Option number C. Question number 42. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A? Option number C, night blindness. Question number 43. The lack of this vitamin can cause the fetus death in pregnancy. Option number D, vitamin K. Question number 44. When plants do not have photosynthesis, they get energy from? Option number A, carbs. Question number 45. When the amount of glucose in the body is high, it starts coming out with urine. Whose symptom is this? Option number D, diabetes. Question number 46. What is maltose? Option number C, sprouted grains. Question number 47. Lactose is found in? Option number B, milk. Question number 48. What is the main work of carbohydrate? Option number D, to create energy and power in the body. Question number 49. Which disease is caused by the lack of fat? Option number B, phenioderma. Question number 50. What kind of food is fat? Option number A, lubricated. Question number 51. How many calories does 1 gram of fat provide? Option number D, 9 calories. Question number 52. What is the best way to store energy? Option number C, fat. Question number 53. Approximately what percentage of fat is found in the groundnut? Option number C, 50%. Question number 54. A substance that is formed by the oxidation by keeping it for a long time. Option number D, ketose. Question number 55. The function of fat are? Option number D, all of these. Question number 56. The term vitamin was first proposed by which scientist? Option number A, Funk. Question number 57. Which of the following vitamins is good for eyesight? Option number B, A. Question number 58. When was the vitamin K discovered? Option number C, 1943. Question number 59. Vitamin B deficiency causes which disease in human? Option number A, beriberi. Question number 60. Due to deficiency of vitamin A in this disease, the person is unable to see in low light. Option number D, night blindness. Question number 61. This vitamin is very important for the proper growth of the body. Option number D, vitamin D. Question number 62. One of the following vitamin protect against the smallpox and whooping cough. Option number D. Question number 63. In the absence of vitamin A, which of the following disease occurs in children? Option number B, night blindness. Question number 64. The deficiency of vitamin C causes which of the following diseases? Option number D, scabies. Question number 65. Very disease is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Option number A, thiamine. Question number 66. What is the main function of vitamin A? Option number C, to increase reproductive power. Option number 67. Rickets disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Option number D, vitamin D. Question number 68. Vitamin A is found the most in which? Option number B, carrot. Question number 69. Which of the following diseases caused by the deficiency of niacin? Option number A, pelena. Question number 70. Vitamin C is found in which of the following? Option number D, lemon. Question number 71. How many total mineral salt are required in the human body? Option number D, 24. Question number 72. What do calcium, phosphorus and magnesium make up of? Option number B, teeth and bone. Question number 73. How much Ca is released from the body of a healthy adult person per day? Option number is 320 milligram. Question number 74. The major source of calcium is? Option number A, milk. Question number 75. The good source of sodium is? Option number C, salt. Question number 76. How many type of anemia are seen? Option number A, 2. Question number 77. In pregnancy, when the women often do not take enough iodine in their diet, this disease is caused in infant. Option number B, creatinine. Question number 78. How much water in our body remains in the form of fluid in the cells? Option number B, 50%. Question number 79. How much water in the body can lead to death? Option number A, 20%. Question number 80. In which form the excess removal of water take place in hot climate areas? Option number D, in the form of sweat. Question number 81. How many glasses of water should a normal adult person drink daily? Option number B, 6 to 8 glasses. Question number 82. Iron is found in the abundance in? Option number C, amla. Question number 83. Finger disease is caused by which deficiency of which element? Option number C, iodine. Question number 84. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of which mineral element? Option number D, iron. Question number 85. Approximately how many grams is a bunch of mint? Option number B, 85 gram. Question number 86. 1 ounce is equal to how many grams? Question number A, ऑप्शन नंबर ए 30 ग्राम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 87, हाउ मेनी कैलोरीज नीडेड पर डे टू एन इंडियन ओल्ड मैन अकॉर्डिंग टू ICMR, इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च। ऑप्शन नंबर सी 2100 किलो कैलोरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 88, हेल्पफुल इज ORS। ऑप्शन नंबर ए कंट्रोल ऑफ डायरिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 89, आर डिवाइस यूज टू मेजर द एनर्जी वैल्यू ऑफ फूड आइटम। ऑप्शन नंबर बी बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 90, RDA मॉडिफाइड बाय विच ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप। ऑप्शन नंबर बी ICDS। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91, द रेशियो ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज। ऑप्शन नंबर ए 1:2:1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 92, इंसुलिन इज अ पॉलीमर ऑफ। ऑप्शन नंबर सी फ्रुक्टोज। ऐसे ही अच्छी वीडियो पाने के लिए वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट की वीडियो चाहिए तो कमेंट करें।